Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So it's got a 1.2 litre PureTech engine with 110 horsepower. It also has Peugeot's grip control. Now this gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. The Allure specification gives you tinted rear windows, rear parking sensors and 17-inch alloy wheels. Inside you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.